So now that we've got this page started, it's time to add more information, more pages to our website. Now, I want to add an announcement page, an upcoming events page to this website. So I want to keep the students and parents up to date with what's going on in our class. To do that, I'm going to click the Add Page or New Page button at the top right here. I'm going to be taken to this page where I'm going to name it, and we'll say Upcoming Events. Then I have an option of selecting a template, whether it's a web page, which is the default, announcements, a file cabinet where I can store files and information, a list, or the start page. I'm going to click Announcements. I want it at the top level of my website, just like the welcome. I don't want it under welcome. We'll just organize it that way. And then I'm going to click Create. Google Sites will create my page for me. Now I can add information here. Now, let's say we have a chapter test or unit test that's upcoming. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to put a new post here. Instead of untitled post, we'll name it unit test November. Let's say it's on November 14th. And we'll just write a quick little note. Please do not forget about the democracy unit test on November 14th. For more information, please refer to the study guide below. Now, what we can do here is save this, but I can also add files to this post. So I could add my study guide here if I wished. I could link to different things on my drive, so I could grab the study guide for the kids and post it here as well. Once that's all done, I'm going to save this. Google will save this page for me. It's published onto my website. One thing you will notice at the bottom of the page here, there's a section for comments. The default for new pages on here on Google Sites is to allow comments. Now, I don't want that to happen. There's no need for necessarily for comments on here. On some of your pages, maybe you do want comments, and you can decide how that plays out for you. But for here, I don't want a comment. So I'm going to go to the More Actions menu. I'm going to click on Page Settings, and I'm going to unclick Allow Comments. And then I'm going to go Save. Now that will remove that comment box from this page, so it's just my upcoming events. And I can go back to Welcome, and I can see that in my upcoming events, there's a unit test November 14th. Now, again, students could click on that. It could bring them to this page. They could then grab study guides or questions or different pieces that will help them prepare for that test.